Which vehicle is heavier? This tank or this attack helicopter? Which vehicle is heavier? Hello everybody and welcome back to English Fiesta. Today we have the fourth and final episode of my Let's Compare series. I really hope that you've enjoyed this series and I really hope that I've helped you learn a little bit about how we compare different things in English. Today we're going to be asking the question of what's heavier. We're going to be asking the question, what's heavier? Are you ready? Then let's get started. Which animal is heavier? An African elephant or a hippopotamus, otherwise known as a hippo? Which animal is heavier? An African elephant or a hippopotamus? An African elephant is heavier than a hippopotamus. An African elephant can weigh up to a maximum of 6,300 kilograms, whereas a hippo can weigh up to or a maximum of 4,300 kilograms. You can find both of these massive animals in the African savannah. One day I would love to go on a safari to see both of these beautiful animals in their natural habitat. Nice. Moving on to the next question. Which vehicle is heavier? Which vehicle is heavier? This tank or this attack helicopter? Which vehicle is heavier? The tank or the helicopter? The tank is much heavier than the helicopter. This is because the tank's armor is much thicker. The metal protecting the tank is much thicker than on the helicopter. This is so it's more difficult to destroy. The tank weighs 64,000 kilograms, whilst the attack helicopter weighs 14,000 kilograms. The helicopter is lighter than the tank. Which do you think would be more fun to drive? The tank or the helicopter? Let me know in the comments below. I think the tank for sure. Which attraction is heavier? The Eiffel Tower in Paris, France, or the London Eye in England, in the United Kingdom? Which attraction is heavier? The Eiffel Tower or the London Eye? The Eiffel Tower is much heavier than the London Eye. The Eiffel Tower weighs 10,100 tons, whilst the London Eye weighs 2,100 tons. So the Eiffel Tower is heavier than the London Eye. The London Eye is lighter than the Eiffel Tower. Last question. Who is heavier, Greg or me? Who is heavier, Greg or me? Greg is heavier than I am. Greg is a little bit heavier than I am. Greg weighs about 77 kilograms, whilst I weigh about 74 kilograms. Greg is heavier than me because he has much bigger muscles. So Greg is heavier than I am. I am lighter than Greg. Wow, that was the last question of the entire series. How did you do? How many of the answers did you get correct? I really hope you enjoyed watching this series. It's been so much fun to make. I have learned so many interesting facts about different things in the world, and I hope now you understand a little bit better how to compare things in English. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like, write me a comment down below telling me which ones you got correct and what new things you learned from the video as well. And if you've enjoyed the series, make sure to hit the subscribe button because we have so much great content coming up for you here on English Fiesta. I'm excited to see you all again. See you next time.